Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Passion is Our Calling from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Passion is our calling. That passion you have, that you always had, and that is now the focus of your life, is God's calling for your life. It's your gifting for the world, but it's also your gifting for your own evolution and journey. Accept it, embrace it, and allow it to unfold as it should. And know the universal force is always guiding you every step of the way to your victory. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was beautiful. I believe that with every part of my being. I believe if you let go of things and just let it unfold in front of you, don't force anything, it'll open up for you. Things will happen. Accept it. Things will happen you think shouldn't happen in the moment, but it should happen. You can't explain it, but just try to let go and try to go with your intuition. Dig deep for that. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.